It's a 2016 Chevrolet Equinox, designed to handle life's journeys and all the equipment it requires. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated bucket seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, leather steering wheel, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Chevrolet, 100 years of icons. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.